Cars use standard wheel rims, which are, in some cases, too simple to bear. Have you ever wondered how those fancy and pompous wheel rims are made that the supercars use? Often, these aluminum wheel rims can cost thousands over thousands of dollars simply because they are not that easy to make. Workers have to ensure the strength as well as the eye-catching appearance of these wheel rims. So, how are they made? In this episode of Processed Dairy, we will uncover how glittering aluminum wheel rims are made in the factory. Watch the video until the very end to watch every step in detail. This channel reveals the making process of things you use every day in your life. Perhaps, you might have seen something and wondered how it is manufactured. This is the channel where we will break that down and show you how it's made. Let's get started. Most wheels are not designed using modern graphic design, but these aluminum wheel rims are first designed using 3D technology. Every single step involved in making these wheel rims is based on state-of-the-art techniques to produce some of the aluminum wheel rims that are famous worldwide. You might use ordinary wheel rims for your family car, however, when you own a supercar, getting lustrous wheel rims becomes essential. The process begins by designing the 3D model of the wheel rim, which will be produced later. Once the design is ready, the molds used to shape the rims need to be created then, and that's where 3D technology is needed again. Industrial designers know the wheel structure and designs as well, and thus, they try to materialize the wheel rims concept they have in their minds. Every detail should be paid attention to because this is the mold which will be used to produce thousands of rims. Once that's done, aluminum is melted and put into the earlier created molds. The molten aluminum cools down in the molds, and then we get a raw aluminum rim. The workers smoothen it around its corners and edges for the next process. In the next step, surface treatment is done using pressure containers. The aluminum rims are placed into these containers and left for some time until their surface is of standard quality. But these wheels are useless without holes because they will be connected to the wheels. Hence, water drilling is used, and high-pressure water is aimed at the rim to drill holes. But that's not the end. Further finishing and shading have to be done to make them spectacular. See what happens next. Since the wheel rims were in their raw form, they are painted until they get their smooth and distinctive destined color. Rims are mounted on hangers, and first, white color is painted. Then, a shiny black shade is painted over it, which sticks to the rims properly. Charged paints are used that create coherent and consistent surfaces over the aluminum rims. You might have noticed that this part isn't the entire rim. It's the visible outer ring that shows the phenomenal design. However, this part has to be attached to the internal rims, which are then used ultimately to put wheels. Interestingly, metal flat plates are mounted on rotators and are shaped using another machine's hand. Within no time, this flat plate transforms into a 3D rim. Further shaping is also done using razor-sharp blades. Sophistically, every layer around the rim is shaped, which makes the rim extraordinarily attractive. These blades chop off the layers delicately, thus, we see a chain of the raw layer peeled off the rims. Then, they are sent for the next process. These rims are heated and cooled in water, after which the two rim parts are fitted. Workers do the assembly by fitting the inner rims with the designed outer rim part. They are connected using nuts and bolts, after which surface processing is done. Although the parts of the rims were connected using bolts, they had to be welded properly. Hence, an automatic machine welds the rim parts by rotating them. Bolts are tightened again while the welded surface is painted black. After that, the rims are ready to be packed. Plastic covers and tapes are wounded on the shining rims, after which they are put into plastic bags. Then, they are put into cardboard boxes and shipped all around the country and the world. Did you love the video and want to watch more like one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe for more videos unveiling how the revolutionizing machines and products are made. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.